Hey, I am back with the Revlon 1875W infrared hair dryer with diffuser attachment as promised. So let's get to it, guys. Okay, as always, I do condone you guys to keep your hands sanitized. I've already washed mine to make this video, so here we go. I was very excited, hoping forward to get this box, and I did 2 days ago actually, so I was really excited to do this. As you can see, the diffuser, and let's open this up. Recommend this a dryer. I definitely do. It is very nice. I love how it has the concentrator as well, and it just has everything. But let's open this up and take this out. So this is everything. The bag should have everything in, of course, but let me just double check. Okay, we're not missing anything. Get the box out of the way, and let's get to the review. So I just want to double check. Yes, everything is in there. Gianni, everything is in there. Calm down. Okay, so let's get you guys. Oops, things flying all over the place. Great. All right, so this is the dryer, guys. It looks amazing. I love the colors. The white, the silver is just looking so good. Get the bag out of the way as well, and here you have it. This is the diffuser attachment and the concentrator as well. Now let's take a good look at the dryer. So first things first, as you guys can see, here we go, is of the Revlon with all the additional information. Looking good, looking nice. Okay, great. And here we have the filter. Now this you girls want to keep very clean so that there's no malfunction of the product, please. That from time to time you can grab a toothbrush, clean toothbrush, and just make sure it's nice and neat. So here we have the buttons. We have the hot and the warm. Then we have the off, the high, and the low. So those are the buttons we have. Looking around, I actually caught that we have a cool button. So that is actually pretty cool. So I'm glad about that. And the cord is actually pretty good. Not too long, not too short. I was actually able to sit down and diffuse my hair. I will be making a video letting you guys see how it looks while I use this product. I like how I brought this. I'm always going to keep that safety thing in, safety first. And I also will like to let you guys know that there's some buttons here. There's the red for reset and the test button. I don't know, I wouldn't really be using the test button for anything, but press down on that red button as soon as you get it before you use it, please, or else you'll think it is not working. The diffuser, let's open this up. Very excited to use this. Very, very excited. I've been wanting to use this for a while. Looking good. Here's where all the warm air to dry my hair will be coming out of. My curly hair, by the way. Even though I won't be using this concentrator, I do want to get you guys to see what it looks like. It's really nice. Clear. Love the colors, like I said. I really just fell in love with these colors. Gray, white, black, and clear. The tips. So beautiful. Okay, so now let's try this on. All you gotta do is just place it there and pop it right in. That is all. So simple, looking real good, ready to be used and diffuse your hair. So looking good. Now to take it out, all you got to do is just really pop it right out. I know I made it seem like it's almost impossible, but I promise you guys it is not impossible. It's the very first time I got my hands on this, so that is why I made it look a little bit harder than what it really is, but it's really simple. There we go. Finally got it out. Oh my god. Now I would like to get you guys to see what the concentrator looks on there too, because it actually looks pretty nice. I love the clear color, like I said. All you got to do is the same thing, pop it right in. Like I said, made it look harder than what it is, but here you go. Looking real nice. Ready to be used and blow dry your hair if you wish to. So you guys can see this is the Revlon review and unboxing of this product. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys soon.